So this game is called Recess Master, and it's a fun way to combine math and sort of digital recess games such as Dodgeball, Capture the Flag, Freeze Tag, and Red Light, Green Light. So I'm going to read the instructions and I'm going to go over the game. It says, do you play Dodgeball, Freeze Tag, Red Light, Green Light, or Capture the Flag at recess? Now you can play them online and prove yourself as the Recess Master. Earn tokens to play the games by identifying the incorrect addition, subtraction, or multiplication division problems among a group of correct problems. The amount of tokens you win is determined by the speed in which you identify the incorrect equation. You'll need 3 tokens to participate in each game. Tokens are saved if you return to play on the same computer. So then I click on this little home, and you can see, I'm going to turn the volume of the game down. So you can see that the way I have 16 tokens. I'm going to show you how to earn tokens first. I'm going to show you how to play some of the games. So you can either do, for younger kids, you can do addition and subtraction, or for older kids, you can do multiplication and division, and we'll sort of do one of both. So I click here, level 1, and I get all of these math problems. And here's my timer. So if I get it within here, that means I get 3 tokens, 2 and 1. So I'm looking for the incorrect problem. This can be hard, but I found it right here. 13 minus 4 is not 8. So I click here. This is on the 2, so I'm going to earn 2 tokens. So I can keep trying to accumulate tokens before I play games, or I can go, I need 3 to play each game, so in this case I'd have to try to win more tokens. So let's go to play again, and let's see where the incorrect problem is. This is hard even for adults sometimes, but it's a great exercise. I'm looking. I still don't see it. I'm sure it's here somewhere. Right here. Finally, I found it. 8 plus 2 is 9. So I only won 1 token. I'm going to go back to this home button, and I'll show you multiplication and division. It's the same thing, just with multiplication and division problems. For this one would be for older kids. So here, I found it soon, and I get 3 tokens that time. Now let's go spend them at my recess games. So I have 22 total tokens because I played before I started recording this video. We'll start off with freeze tag. The idea is just to tag as many students as possible, and they actually turn into ice. You have this little, you're this character, and you have this control. This works great on iPads or anything, so my job is to try to tag as many of the kids as I can. And they are hard to catch sometimes. And I'm going to try. Okay, finally got one. The idea is just you have 1 minute. There's a timer up there to get as many as you possibly can. And the kids are tricky. So I got 3, 4, and so I got 4, and every time I play, I can get a certificate. And I can save the image, or I can print it out. And this is great for friendly competition. Students will love to compete on things like this. Back to recess games so you can see how to play some of the other ones. Capture the flag. This is a lot of fun. The idea is I'm this character again. I have to get the flag and bring it all the way back and plant it in on my side. And the idea is not to get touched by another one of the students, the marauding students. This is hard. So got the flag, but I got caught. But it's not impossible to do. When I was testing this game, my students captured the flag and brought it back many times. If I go back to recess games, I'll show you how to play red light, green light. And this is not exactly red light, green light. It is if the flashing light has a primary color, you stop. If it has a secondary color, you go. And here are the controls down here, stop and go. And you can pick any one of these characters. So I'm going to pick this. And let's see. So let's see. So it's a secondary color, orange, so I go. primary color, so I stop. Secondary color, so I click go. Stop. And you do this, many times until the idea is for you to win the race. It doesn't always go stop, go, stop, go, stop, go. So I stay stopped there. You see with the red one. So I go now, and I see I'm tied. So anyway, you keep playing until the race is over. And so that's red light, green light. And finally, dodgeball. I'm like in this gym, and I have these guys, and I have to hit them with the ball. So I can sort of, this little meter here will direct where the ball goes, and I can pull back to make my throw strong or weaker. So I'm going to try to point this at one of these guys, but they move around, so it's kind of hard. And then, let's see. And I throw it. I missed. It's hard because they move around. So I'm going to try to. I got one there, and I'm going to stay here. Missed there. Maybe I have one. So I get one. And you see there's 5 possible, so my certificate only has me hitting 1 dodgeball. This is a lot of fun for kids, and they will love to have friendly competitions with each other. And it's a good way to reinforce various math skills, being able to look at a group of math problems and picking out which one is not correct. Great way for multiplication, division, addition, subtraction practice, and a way that students will want to practice that.